Guys, I finally learned how to use my fireside this winter. For 2 going on 3 years, I've lived in my house and I've never used my fireside, and I finally learned. It's actually quite very easy and very simple. The only thing is, at least in my house, the way it's set up, I just needed to open this place here, which allows the smoke to go up. If you want to close it, you push it up and it blocks the smoke. And if you block the smoke is going to enter the whole house. So you just need to open this here, pull this. I had to pull this. I don't remember what it's called. Some kind of a shutter. You just pull it open and smoke is going to go up. So I have a bag of wood here, and I just needed to buy a starter. All what that does is it really burns for long. It's almost like it holds some alcohol in it, or some, I don't know, some kind of foil in it or something. It burns for a long time. So you start to burn that one and then you put it at the bottom. So I have two. I put two at the bottom of the fireplace, and it's burning even more than the wood. So basically that's it. You just need to direct the smoke up and start burning the thing. Burn as many logs of wood as you can, and you could literally sit at home and not turn the heater on and just sit by your fireside. Save yourself on some some heating bills, or some, this gas bill and all this is kind of high. So